Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got the very first beauty subscription unboxing for September and I have got Look Fantastic and it's the birthday edition. So as always, if you're new to Look Fantastic, I'll give you a quick lowdown to tell you what it's all about. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside this month's birthday edition box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Look Fantastic is a monthly beauty subscription box. It ships worldwide and it costs £15 a month. You can cancel any time, plus you can opt for a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription, which brings the cost down a little bit. Inside contains 6 beauty items and range from skincare, makeup, hair care and nail care, and we also get an Elle magazine subscription as well. I've been subscribed to Look Fantastic for about 2 years now, and up until last month I would say that it's mainly a skincare heavy beauty box, but last month threw that out the window and we had more makeup items which are brilliant, a highlighter, brushes and everything, so it was lovely. It's a nice change, but generally over the last year or so they do tend to be more skincare heavy, so if that is something that takes your fancy, then I do recommend taking a look at my back playlist on YouTube to see what type of products that you get, so you get a good feel of the box. Now I've recently taken out a 12-month subscription, so that entitles me now to have my boxes for £13 a month. I do have a refer a friend code which entitles you to 10% off your first box, so all links related to this box and that code I'll list down below. So underneath this video to see show more, click that'll bring up description and everything will be down there. The reason why I'm unboxing this box super early is because it's a PR box. A couple of months ago Look Fantastic got in touch with me and asked if I'd like to start receiving their monthly beauty boxes, so I said yes. So I still keep my subscription running because I like to keep them for giveaways on my Instagram and my Facebook page, which is the same name, Diaryofabeautygeek, or if I've got a friend's birthday or a family member's little treat or something, it's just nice to give them a little box, so I keep my subscription running. So I don't receive that until roughly around the 4th or 5th of the month. That's generally when the boxes come out, but yeah, this is a PR box, so I got this for free. It was gifted. If you are interested in subscribing and receiving this box, you won't be able to do so until the 1st of September. If you subscribe before the 1st of September, you will receive August's box. They've also got a deal on at the moment that if you subscribe to the monthly beauty box and take out a 6 and 12 month subscription, then they will send you another beauty box with a value of around £138. Now that's time limited, so that's until they're all gone, but that's an offer that they've got currently on their website. I'll link it all down below so you can go and have a look if it's something you're interested in. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, I will pop it down below. But let's open this up. I haven't even had a look yet. I had this morning. They always have a quote inside their lids and it says, "Live every day like it's your birthday." So this is the Elle magazine subscription that you receive. You get this every single month, and if you were to buy this, it will cost you £4.50. So there's that, and you also get a little booklet, and inside here contains everything related to the box, and it also gives you prices, so I'm able to tot it all up and to tell you at the end, and it tells you the sneak peek for next month. But this is a little bit different. It's not telling me what is in next month's box, but it's telling me something about the advent calendar, and this is the very first time I've actually seen anything related to the advent calendar. And it says, "Christmas is right around the corner and so is our Look Fantastic advent calendar. Be the first in line with your exclusive one-time use subscriber discount code." Right, okay. Get your advent calendar for only £64. Non-subscribers pay £79, and it's got a code there. But it doesn't say when. It doesn't say when, it just says come in soon. Okay, but then on little writing it's got here, "Looking for your October sneak peek, turn to page 18. Alright, wow, what's this? It's a illuminating holographic sheet mask with hyaluronic acid and citrus oils, and it's by OOK. So in every October box, everyone will be getting one of those. So let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. I can't even remember what the sneak peek was. I can't remember. Oh yeah, I've just seen it. I remember now. There, I'll give you a sneak peek first. Pretty colours. Alright, so in the little booklet it says about this month, the theme. It says, "We'd like to invite you to join us as we celebrate our 5th birthday. This September is our birthday edition, and to help our community celebrate with us, this month's beauty box is curated to contain some of the most iconic products in the beauty industry, from cult skincare heroes to the best of body care. This month should help you feel in the party mood." And then it goes on to telling you all about what's inside this leaflet with interviews and things like that. So the first item then is the big pink bag, and it's a bubble tea bath bomb. It's Funk Fat Tea and Sprinkles. It's a bath fizzer, and I'm sure we get one every birthday. I'm sure we do. Let me know down below if I'm right. We either get one Christmas time or we get one on their birthday. And they're lovely. They're really, really nice. Ooh, what? I don't know what. It smells of sweets. Can you see there? Celebrate the 5th birthday of Look Fantastic's beauty box with a sweet as sugar bath bomb fizzer. Smells of cake, vanilla cake and sweets. But it says limited edition bath bomb with £4.99. This cake inspired bath bomb will help you to celebrate our 5th birthday with us. Infused with essential oils and delicate scents, mix up your bath time with this bubble tea offering. So there's that item. Next we got something green. What is this? Oh no, it's not. The lid is green and it's Pixie by Petra. It's a glossy lip plumper. I'll just take the outer wrapping off. So that's what that looks like there. Just put a little bit on my hand there. Oh, it's nice. Very natural, like a peachy sort of colour. This is a honey sheen and it's worth £12. Cooling upon application, this glossy formula soothes, conditions and calms lips, leaving them with a high shine finish. Enjoy a subtle apricot gleam, gold gleam with Pixie's honey sheen shade. Wear alone or layered over lipstick. I'm going to try it on my lips, but I'm going to do it with my hand. I'm going to apply it on my finger. Can't tell much difference. It's just made them, ooh, it's all quite minty. It is quite minty, that's quite nice. It's just made it a little bit more glossy, that's all, so you can't tell much of a difference. Our next product was our sneak peek from last month, and it's the Molten Brow, and it's a orange and bergamot bath and shower gel, and this is 100 ml. Ooh, not sure how much you'll be able to see there with a ring light flashing on it. Oh, it smells nice. That smells really, really nice. Yeah, just a nice handy size. We're going to see Harry Potter Studios in London in a couple of days' time. And we're going away for 2 nights, so that'd be quite nice actually to bring with us, because I know where we're going hasn't got nice shower gels and stuff in the showers. So this is worth £10, and it says discover an iconic molten brown fragrance with this refreshing shower gel infused with cerulean orange, bergamot and neroli. Awaken your spirits and uplift your shower experience with this vibrant and lively body wash. So there's that, that's the 3rd item. Next we got Caudalie, and this is Caudalie Premier Cru, Premier CRU. It's an eye cream, and this is 5 ml, and it's for all skin types. So it's a teeny tiny one. That's how I'm saying it right. Correct me if I'm wrong. The Vino Source range is lovely. The moisturisers, the sorbets. So no, that feels quite nice on my skin, but obviously it's not for my hand, it's for my eyes. So let's see what it says. So this is worth £16.35, and it says, give eyes a pick-me-up with this sophisticated eye cream designed to obscure visible signs of aging. This eye cream works instantly, brightening and refreshing the eye area. When applied, this eye cream helps to firm the skin whilst reducing the appearance of dark circles for a healthier finish. So there's that. Next we've got a product by Oskia London, and this is Renaissance Cleansing Gel Illuminating Vitamin Melting Cleanser. That sounds really cool. And this is 35 ml. Illuminating. So what's that? Illuminating and vitamin melting. Oh, that sounds wonderful. Massage onto dry skin until melted into an oil. Add a little water to emulsify and remove with warm water or a damp muslin cloth. Oh, it's pink. Ooh, ooh. I always do this. I squeeze too hard and a big lump comes out then. But look, can you see there if I move my hand out the way? It's like an orange sort of cleanser. I just want to sniff. Sniff everything. Sniff everything. Doesn't smell much. I don't think anyway. I could probably smell other things on my hand all blending together. But yeah, that's going to turn into an oil on my hand now. So this is worth £14, and it says introduce a cult cleansing gel into your skincare regime with this peachy pink skin miracle. With a delicate rose chamomile scent, this cleansing gel quickly and gently dissolves makeup, leaving the complexion illuminated and hydrated. Utilising pumpkin enzyme with vitamins A, C and E, this cleansing gel detoxifies, soothes and reduces inflammation. Sounds an amazing cleansing gel. So looking forward to giving that a go. And lastly, we've got a makeup product. It's by Sleek, and it's our 2nd makeup product. So all the rest is all skincare. So back to sort of normality, I think, now with their boxes. But so what is this? This is an eyebrow stylist. I can't even open it. It's in dark. Ooh. Oh, I'm very particular with my eyebrows. I've got hardly any. They're all fake. What you see is not real. Lots of painted on strokes, lots of filling in gaps, lots of like creams and powders. a nightmare. Nightmare. I like to have pale eyebrow products. Maybe I go as far as say shade number 3 on Benefit if you use any of those, Precisely My Brow and Gimme Brow and things. Number 3 is like the darkest I would go on there. So I'm a bit nervous about this, I've got to be honest, but it's quite smart. I haven't tried this before. So on one end you've got a little spoolie brush there. Oh, it's looking more like a taupe. Taupe. When it says dark, I was expecting it to be like a really dark brown. That is not too bad. Look, can you see there? That is not too bad. Let me compare against my Goof Proof shade number 3. No, look. Right, can you see there? That's the Goof Proof and that's the Sleek. That is very similar. Phew. Let me know though if you get a dark one, if we all get a dark one. I can imagine that not going down too well if you're like super dark eyebrows or you're super pale eyebrows. Fortunately for me, it's fine for me, but yeah, I was nervous. This is worth £6.49 and it says combining a unique angled pencil with a styling and blending brush. This innovative brow pencil helps achieve tailor-made strokes from thick to thin. Fill in your brows with either broad strokes or fine lines to achieve a natural look that lasts. And it says brush brows in place, then fill in to achieve a natural finish. So those are all the products. I'm just going to gather them all up and I'm going to add them all up and I'll be back. Right, so these are all the products, if you can see them there. We have got 6 products in all. The box costs £15 and the contents inside this month's box comes to around £64. We've got a Caudalie eye cream. We've got a Pixie by Petra plump-in lip gloss. Then we've got a bubble tea bath bomb in collaboration with Look Fantastic. Then we've got an Oskia London cleansing cream that turns to an oil. Then we've got Molten Brow shower gel and we've got a Sleek eyebrow pencil, a dual-ended eyebrow pencil there. So looking at these products, I think it's a really good box again. We've got a really good mix. I love having these bath bombs, so I'm really chuffed to have that again. Molten Brow, as I said at the start, I'm going to bring that with me to London in a couple of days' time. This cleanser seems amazing. It sounds amazing with all those ingredients in it. And yeah, the lip balm, it feels nice. It feels nice and tingly and fresh on my lips, so I'll give that a go without lipstick on. But yeah, really surprised with this eye pencil. I'm shocked. It's not as dark as I expected, so I'm hoping that I'll be able to use it okay. And then we've got the eye cream, so that sounds nice as well, so I'll give that a go. So yeah, so I think it's a really lovely box. I do really like it. I think for £15 you've got some really lovely treats there. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's birthday edition box? Do you think there's a great selection of products, or do you think no, it's not that great? All thoughts and opinions I'd love to know. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.